Hello guys, welcome to my channel, Khmer Technology. So today I show you how to download any videos on YouTube without using other applications. So when you open the YouTube, I want to download this video. Just click on it, and at the top here, click here. After E before dot, click type PP. Enter in your keyboard and do waiting. It's I'm not assuming. Boat, yeah, boat. Oh no, what boat? Okay, do waiting. So here, these are the size. This is HD. So I want to download 144. Click on download here. Download here. So I will come here. Just do waiting. And then you can open, click on it, yeah. So it's finished. So one more method, just click on YouTube. So I want to load this video, and here at the top here, click SS. After dot, click SS and enter. So this is the second step. Just do waiting. Here, yeah, you have 720, 360, and others a lot here. I just want to download this 360. Here, this is the advertisement, and click here. Select download here. So it will come to the left side. Just do waiting. Okay, it's nearly full now. Okay, full now. So you can open. Just click on it. So this is the achievement that we got. So there are only 2 steps. How to download it, yeah. So I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.